cook again. It's winter time here in Chicago, so all we have to do is cook and cook and cook. So let's cook Filipino food, of course, and I wanna cook one of my favorite dish, pure fresh boiled mushroom. Okay, let's cook. Okay, Kapinay, this is our mushrooms. I slice it already. They are chunky. We have like 5 kinds of mushrooms here. Meron tayong, we have the king mushrooms, these ones here, king mushrooms, white string mushrooms, brown string mushrooms, and we have the oyster mushrooms, and the shiitake mushrooms also somewhere here, at saka yung kudet, oyster mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Gustong gusto ko here. This is the oyster mushroom. So what we're gonna do is, since I wash these mushrooms, it has water in it, so we do not have to put water yet. So let's turn on the heat. Ayan. The water would come out. Yan, pakulan natin, but we have to palabasin muna natin yung tubig ng mushrooms. Okay? Ooh, look at that. They said mushroom is good for the brain and good for sleeping. Pang beauty rest. That's what they say. But I love the taste of mushrooms, Kapinay. I love my favorite mushrooms. Lagay lang natin, all we gonna put here is salt. That's it. Nothing else. I'm not gonna put ampalaya. Just fresh, pure mushroom soup. Pag lumabas na yung tubig, we're gonna add water. We're gonna put seasoned salt. Yeah, that's seasoned salt, Kapinay. That's all we're gonna put. Water and salt. And then we're gonna boil the mushrooms for maybe an hour. The longer you boil the mushrooms, the juice tastes better. Okay, Kapinay, let's check our mushroom. Ayan, oh, lumabas na ang tubig. Lumabas na ang tubig. Kaya, pabayaan muna natin na lumabas. Paigain muna natin yung tubig, Kapinay. Then, after that, we're gonna add more water. Ayan, masarap yan. Let's pakulo pa more. Ayan, oh, diba? Uong man nagado sa Ilocano. I wish. Okay. Alright, ganyan lang. Pakulo pa more. Boil it, boil. That's what we're gonna do. Boil. No oil. Just boil and water. Boiling water. Sarap. Okay, Kapinay, let's check our mushrooms. Okay. The juice is already reduced. Ayan. So, let's put more hot water. There you go, hot water. Okay, that would be our soup. Pure mushroom soup. Dinagdagan na natin ng tubig. And then we're gonna boil to the level that we like, and that would be our soup. Matatapos na. Ayan, masarap yan. Ganyan lang. Natural flavor of the mushrooms. In addition, with our mushroom, Kapinay, we're gonna cook also fish. This is, they call it a tile fish. The flesh texture is more like of a dalag. Mudfish. Pero gagawin natin sinigang. This is my first time to buy this fish, so it looks so fresh. Buo yan eh. Kinuha nung asawa ko yung 2 piraso, i-bake daw niya. Wala nang ulo yan. Wala nang ulo. So, we're gonna boil our onion, ginger, And with kaffir leaves, pampabango. There, kunti lang. Ilagay natin yung ating sinigang mix pag kumulo na. Okay, ayan. So, tikman natin yung itong isda na ito. This is my first time to buy it. Kung masarap, then we could buy some more. Ang ganda na ang kanyang skin. I mean, the flesh is pinkish. It looks so fresh. Ayan, o, malinis na yan. Wild caught, USA fish. Pakuluan natin yung tubig natin. Okay, Kapinay, let's check our sinigang na boiling now. I ran out of sinigang mix, so I'm gonna put just the lemon juice. Yan o. Ito, lemon juice. Yan o, 1 lemon juice. There you go. So now, we're gonna put our fish. Gonna put our pepper. These peppers, green peppers are from the garden last year. Frozen yan. I think I'm gonna pakulo it first. Then we're gonna put our fish. Okay. Since we don't have sinigang mix, I'm gonna put tomato. Sinigang sa kamatis. Yan. Yan. Ganyan na lang para maganda-ganda. Ganda-ganda ang ating luto. Okay. We're gonna let it boil. And then we will put our fish. Let's check our mushrooms. Yan. The water is reduced. Bumaba na ang tubig. Ayan, pwede na yan. Kung gusto nyo pa ng mas malapot yung supas niya, we could still boil it longer. Let's take the saltiness, Kapinay. Okay, let's taste it. Sarap. Ang bango ng mushrooms. Ang bango. This is, ayan o, brown mushroom, string mushroom. Ayan. Okay, let's taste it. Let's taste. Ayan o, sarap. So tasty. I will reduce the water first para mas concentrating yung lasa ng mushroom. Marami pang tubig eh. Alright? Then we're gonna add a little salt. And let's check our sinigang na supas. I think I wanna boil some more to cook the kamatis. Ayan o. So, maganda-ganda na. Improvise na tayo rito eh. Kasi naubusan pala tayo ng sinigang mix. Tinatawag na rin akong magpakulo nung sampalok na frozen. Kaya ito na lang kamatis. Ayan. Oh, ba? Ganda na. I wanna reduce the water also. Ayan. Okidoks. And I wanna put a little black pepper, pampabango rin. Yan. Maybe we could, since this is fish, we're gonna put patis for umami taste. Let's put patis. Tanta-tanta patis. Yan. Okay, pakulo natin and then we're gonna put our fish. Ang bango nung lemon. Tama lang ang asim. Ang bango. Sarap. Kahit hindi na yung sampalok, yung lemon tastes good. Okay, Kapinay. I think our sinigang juice is ready. Ayan. Lagay na natin ang ating isda. Ayan o. Ayan. Maybe we're gonna boil it for how many minutes? I don't know. We'll see. Ayan. Oh. Ayos. Sarap yan, Kapinay. 3 piraso. Ako lang naman ang kakain. Okay, pakuluan natin. Alright, Kapinay. I think our fish is ready. Fish is ready. So, let's check the saltiness again. Our fish is cooked already, I think, I believe. Yan, pwede na. Sarap na. Sarapation na. Look at that. Luto na yan. See? Look. Lagyan natin ng cilantro. It's a Mexican influence. Cilantro or coriander leaves. Ang bango nito. I think there's already in the Philippines. Coriander. Cilantro leaves. Pampabango. You could eat it raw. Put it in your salad too. Yan. Lagyan ko ng marami. Yan. Sinigang with the twist. Mexican influence cooking. Yan din. Cover. Turn off the heat. Sarap yan, kapinays. Check our mushrooms. Multitasking tayo dito. Let's check our mushroom. Yan, pwede na to. Okay. The juice already reduced. It's more concentrated now. The flavor is more concentrated now, so let's taste it too. Pwede na yan. Simple cooking. Boil lang. Okay, let's taste it. Taste. Yan o. Yan, luto na. Sarap. No oil, just water and mushroom juice. It's very flavorful. Okay, kapinay. Luto na tayo, nakuluto na tayo. Let's eat. Let's taste our food. Samot tayo. Ayan, ang ganda na. Oh. Ayan. Cilantro. Sinigang fish. Kaya natin yung bontot. Yan. Oh. Sarap yan. Parang sa ano to ah. Mukhang parang nasa restaurant ang serving ah. Yan oh. Ganda oh. Sanet. Yummy. Kapinize. That's the ginger there. Sarap. Okay. Alright. Then we're gonna have the mushroom. Yan oh. Ganda oh. Sarap. Kuha rin tayo ng ating mushroom soup. Yung mushroom soup natin na ito na ang ating gagawing kanin. Yan. Oh, sarap yan. Pure mushroom soup. Fresh mushroom soup. Kapinay. Yan o. Sarap yan. Yep. Masarap na ulam. Magluto na tayo. Magluto na kayo. Enjoy cooking, Kapinay. Yan. Sarap. Okay, let's eat. Okay, Kapinay, let's taste our sinigang. Ang ganda, oh. Wow. Taste it. Taste. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, Kapinay. Kung meron kayong cilantro dyan sa Pilipinas, I think meron na eh. Kasi parang nakita ko dun sa farm ni na Sharon Cuneta. Meron silang cilantro. Baka meron dyan. Kasi meron na kayong Mexican restaurants dyan. So, I think cilantro would be there. Baka kaya cilantro meron na dyan sa Pilipinas. Ang bango. Ang sarap. Wow. Try it. Ang sarap, Lord. Thank you. Tikman natin tong isda. Kung anong lasa. Do not overcook your fish kasi mawawalan ng lasa eh pag overcook ang isda. Parang dalag. It has no aftertaste, but it's good. Parang dalag, I think. Ayan. Sarap. Sinigang sa kamatis, nilagyan ng cilantro, ang bango, ang sarap. Wow, try it, Kapinay. It's good. Now let's taste our mushroom. My favorite gulay. Gulay nga ba? Is mushroom a vegetable? I don't know. Sabi nila fungus eh. So good. Mushroom soup. Fresh mushroom soup. Brown mushroom. String brown mushroom. String white mushroom. I call it string, but maybe it's not even a string. And then oyster, yung kudet, and then shiitake somewhere here, and then the king mushroom. Sarap. Sarap. Magluto na. Marami tayong niluto ngayon. Marami na naman tayong ulam. Habang hindi makapamasyal dahil sa lamig, magluto muna. Ano? Enjoy your cooking, Kapinay. Let's eat. Okay. Lahing matakaw. Kaya ito, we are also cooking sweet corn, Kapinay. Good for 10 minutes. Boil it for 10 minutes. It's cooked already. Yan. Sweet corn yan. Yellow sweet corn. Masarap yan. Mga Amerikano, Kapinay, lagyan nila ng butter yung kanilang mais. Ako gusto ko ganito lang. Kain tayo, mainit. Alright, sweet corn. It's good. Alright, kain tayo.